This is our new CR726 common rail injector test bench. It can test 6 injectors at the same time. Now let's have a view of our test bench. Our CR726 can test 6 injectors at the same time: Bosch, Denso, Taian, Siemens, Piezo. And we also equipment with our best quality useful supporter. It can be used with almost all kinds of injector. Now let's have a view of our testing system. You can choose different language here. You can upgrade online. Our testing system, it can test Bosch, Denso, Taian, Siemens, Piezo, all kinds of common rail injectors. It contains all the testing data inside. And also it can test the capacitance resistance of the parts of common rail injector, and also the frequency of the cylinder valve, opening pressures, and also it can test the RLC. We also supply the AHE function. Also, this test bench has the function of QR code for Bosch, Taian, Denso, Siemens, Cummins. This is CR726 equipment with the forced cooling system and a high quality oil tank. It also equipment with the most high quality Mengniu motor, together with the Bosch original CP3 pump, and also the Bosch filter. This is CR726 also equipment with 6 pieces blue sensors. This test bench is 220 volts. It can detect 10, 20, and 30 lines on the test bench, and also you can connect the earth line. Now let's go to test the Bosch injector. Input the injector code number. Now we start to test. Our testing system shows you 6 injector testing process. After finished testing, you can print the testing report And also there will be new QR code.